You've been up all night. Come and have something to eat.
I can't. I can't eat or rest until I've found her again.
We've been searching everywhere, not a trace of her. You may never find her.
Don't say that. I will find her. I've got to. I don't want to hear about anyone else. She's not like the others. She's different than any other girl I've ever met.
But how can you know that after one night?
Are you making believe you see in her a girl too lovely to be really true? Do you love her because she's wonderful, or is she wonderful because you love her? Is she the sweet invention of a lover's dream, or is she really as wonderful as she seems?
All my life, I've been searching for something. And I finally found it. In her.
Well then, you must find her. Keep looking for as long as it takes.
And the dearest love in all the world is waiting somewhere for me, is waiting somewhere,